Yusuf, tell me. Uh,
India.
hey, how many books did you read?
100 books I read.
Oh my God, 100 books.
Yeah.
Come on, did you read 100 books? Really?
Yeah. I only read 100 books that night.
Oh,
Only
Nice.
one night.
what kind of book was it?
Blaze books.
What was the name of your books?
Blaze, Crusher, Starla, Ray.
Uh-huh. What else?
I don't know.
I don't know. Do you know how to make money?
Books.
What is books?
Read books.
Read books, right?
Yeah.
One more sugar.
What are you doing, Daddy?
I'm putting sugar.
Second and what? Second and what, Daddy? Second and what?
Just sugar.
Second in the water?
In my tea.
Oh, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay, then Yusuf.
Nothing. Just taking my water. That's a black bread.
Mm-hmm.
I want my chocolate with my bread.
Okay.
That's it on it.
Okay.
Daddy, what are you doing with your phone over there? Taking a picture or something?
Yeah, it's recording.
Huh?
It's recording. Take a picture of you. Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Shake your hand. My sweet baby.
I'm not a lady.
Oh, my boy.
Yeah, boy.
You love daddy?
Huh?
You love daddy?
Yeah.
Say,
Glove.
I love daddy.
Glove.
Okay, okay. Hey, you need haircut, right?
Yeah.
Let's go and cut your hair.
Now I want to eat first.
Next time I come, we're gonna go haircut, okay? Tomorrow I'm leaving, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to work and come back next year, so next month. Okay?